in the Santa Fe Village subdivision of Prescott, Arizona. Here's a look around the neighborhood. And a view of the front yard, all low maintenance landscaping. 3-car garage. We'll see the inside from the other angle. Nice front porch here. We'll swing around and take a look at the view real quick. And from here we're heading in. To my left is an office. And here it is. And then around the corner, we're taking a look at the great room. There's the fireplace and the view back to the kitchen with a pass-through. We'll come take a look at that again. There's the office we just saw. Here is the dining room just off the kitchen. And the kitchen itself. Realtor does not convey. A closer look at the appliances, cabinetry. Now through that door is the master bedroom. This is another more informal dining area. And here's another shot of the great room and the stairs going down. Across the great room is the guest quarters. We'll take a look at that later. But first we're going to step into the master bedroom, and here it is. Door out to the back deck, which we'll see later. Here's the master bathroom. Double sinks, garden tub, and a super soaker. Here's the potty closet, and finally the walk-in closet. Across here is the laundry room. And through the laundry room is the garage. Lots of storage up front, utility sink. Alright, heading back through the laundry room, past the informal dining area in the kitchen, back to the great room, and across we're going to go to the guest quarters. On this side we have 2 bedrooms and a bath. First we'll do one of the guest bedrooms, and here it is. And here's that bath. And finally, the second guest bedroom. From here, we'll head back to the back deck. Here's the door out to the back deck. And here it is, nice view of Granite Mountain, stairs down to the yard below. Nice and big and covered. All right, heading back in, we're going to go down the stairs and take a look at the downstairs. To the left is a door leading to an unfinished crawl space, so I don't really peek at that. But straight through is a full bath. Here's a shot of the second great room. And there is another guest bedroom downstairs. Here it is. Going through the second great room, we'll take a look at the outside lower level and the yard. So the porch down here mirrors the one above. All fenced in. Again, low maintenance landscaping and a very nice view. There are the stairs that lead back up to the upper deck. Lots and lots of privacy here. And that's it.